Welcome to our in-depth guide to understanding Ohio's cottage food laws and how to successfully launch your homemade food business. Whether you're a seasoned food entrepreneur or you're exploring the idea of starting a cottage food operation, this guide will provide a roadmap to help you navigate the legal and business landscape. What are cottage food laws? Cottage food laws are regulations that allow individuals to produce, sell, and in some cases, deliver homemade food directly to consumers. The rules vary significantly from state to state. The primary purpose of these laws is to foster local entrepreneurship by reducing the financial burden of having to use commercial kitchens or other costly resources. Deciphering Ohio's cottage food laws. In Ohio, the cottage food laws have several essential aspects to consider for any aspiring food entrepreneur. 1. What can be sold? Ohio's cottage food law is somewhat flexible with regard to what products can be sold. Permitted food products include non-perishable items such as bakery products, jams, jellies, candy, and fruit butters. Potentially hazardous food items like dairy or meat products are not permitted due to food safety concerns. 2. Sales limitations. Unlike some states, Ohio does not impose a limit on the gross sales of a cottage food operation. This is an advantage because it means that there are no financial barriers preventing your cottage food business from scaling and prospering. 3. Where can you sell? Under Ohio law, cottage food products may be sold directly to the consumer from the site where the products are produced, at farmers markets, through community social events, and online within the state. This provides a fair amount of flexibility in terms of distribution and allows you to build a broad customer base. 4. Labeling requirements. In Ohio, all cottage food products must be properly labeled. The label must include the name and address of your cottage food operation, the name of the product, the ingredients, and a statement that the product is home-produced. 5. Business requirements. In terms of business requirements, Ohio doesn't require a license for a cottage food operation. However, your home kitchen and storage spaces must comply with the Ohio Uniform Food Safety Code. Steps to starting your cottage food business in Ohio. While understanding Ohio's cottage food laws is the first step, there are other critical considerations when starting your business. Develop a business plan. Crafting a well-thought-out business plan is paramount. It should outline your goals, identify your target audience, detail the products you plan to sell, and offer a comprehensive financial forecast. Marketing strategy. Determine how you will reach your customers. Consider setting up a website or social media accounts to create a digital presence. Local farmers markets and community events can also provide great exposure for your business. Production and storage. Planning your production schedule and storage practices is crucial. Ensure your home kitchen and storage areas comply with Ohio's Uniform Food Safety Code. Insurance. While not mandated by law, it's smart to have business insurance to protect yourself from any potential liability. Final thoughts. Ohio's cottage food laws provide a fantastic opportunity for food entrepreneurs to turn their passion into a profitable venture. While starting a business can be challenging, understanding the laws and requirements can ensure a smoother journey. As you continue to learn and grow your business, remember that success is often the result of perseverance, creativity, and hard work. Good luck on your food entrepreneurship journey in the Buckeye State.